Namaskar, friends. Warm greetings to you all. Myself, Rahul Singh, General Secretary, Naveva. I just presented before you to highlight about our campaign for Old Pension Scheme 1972. Dear friends, you all are aware that our Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, even after 33 years of establishment, is not able to come up under the ambit of CCS Pension Scheme 1972, and this is the great backlog for the institution of excellence in the field of school education. But we are suffering, we are witness of that. Dear friends, first time in the history of establishment of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, we are going to get a huge support for the old pension scheme under the competent and bold leadership of Sri Yogendra Sharma ji, our national president. That first time it is happening in the history of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti that for old pension scheme we are going to get support from Prime Minister office, from the office of Minister of Education, from the Minister of Education in person, from the Minister of Finance in person, and more than 50 MPs of ruling party, and even from the non-ruling parties, lot of MPs are supporting us, and that happens, that become possible because of the great and eminent leadership of Sri Yogendra Sharma ji, the efforts of volunteers for old pension scheme like Sri M.K. Singh ji, Sri Arun Kumar Gaur ji, Sri S.K. Soni ji, Sri Avinash Rai ji, Sri Ayaz Ansari ji, and lot of friends from all over India are boosting this campaign. They are going to their MPs, and they are representing the Naveva's memorandum for old pension scheme. And I appeal to our headquarter, our respected commissioner sir, our respected joint commissioner sir, that if our headquarter is going to support us on this issue, definitely we are going to bring our Samiti under the ambit of Old Pension Scheme 1972. Along with this campaign of Old Pension Scheme, friends, 2021 is going to be the witness of all the all the demands of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti's employees, whether it is the recognition of association, whether it is old pension scheme, whether it is warden, whether it is the upgradation of conditions of mess employees, whether it is the issues of the ECPs, whether it is the 10% issues of office staff, upgradation of pay band of office staffs, staff nurse, and all CCS, MTS, all the employees of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, we are going to fulfill. If you are going to support us in the same way as you have supported in year 2020, although that year 2020, that year and that decade, I can say that is the decade of the struggle for the employees of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, but 2021 is the first year of this decade is going to witness as the year of achievement. I am very much, I am along with the team Naveva is very much optimistic about you. So friends, I appeal to you all that you all should send those schools those Janvis who have not yet sent their hard copies for the membership of Naveva, uh, I appeal to that Janvis to please send the hard copies to the address of Sri Yogendra Sharma, our national president. Along with, I am willing to thank thousands of our friends from different Janvis from the pan India, more than 9,000 friends who have given support to us. We cordially extend our thanks to them, and I hope, I pray to the God, and I am very much optimistic about this institution of the excellence is going to become the institution of happiness also in this year 2021. Thank you all. God bless you all.